When you hit your 5 properties, the bank will tell you that you are highly exposed as an individual to properties, and therefore we cannot give you money. So what I did was that I formed a company whilst I was buying in my personal capacity, and that company became the managing. So I did a rent to buy agreement with the company, right? And all the money was going through the company's bank accounts. And I had an accountant to do the books for me. So then within 3 years, it was very easy for me to use that paper on the company side to rebuy these properties and even gear up. Because at that time, when we got 3 years further down the line, the property value have appreciated and the rental income was doing great because of the principle that I used. So I was way above the market in the sense of my repayment to the bank. I was actually paying more than necessary because the whole target was to make your business look good. And the bank will love you if you can demonstrate that you can make them make money.
Echo, and this one is coming in from James Ramabu, who asks, can you recommend good property books that have helped you on your property investment journey?
Property books for sure is Jason Lee, which is making money out of property in South African market. But not only the property books that you need to look at, there's also good books that are actually what you call made video about, and it's Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. It's really a very good book to help you to kind of harness your mindset in terms of the belief systems that you need to go through, because you need to have a tough skin. You're going to hear a lot of no's. And that book, in essence, will help you to know your why. And once you know your why, you understand that it's okay for somebody to say no to you, but it's not okay to move the target. It's okay to change the strategy, but it's not okay that you don't get to your destination. So that book is very good. And also you need to understand your finances. You need to know how to manage your finances. And the book that I recommend is The Richest Man in Babylon by George S. Clason. It's a very, very good book. And then Cash Flow Quadrant by Robert Kiyosaki. Cash Flow Quadrant basically will help you to know the kind of, it says that we've got 4 quadrants, right? So it helps you to identify which quadrant you are in at the present and where you want to move to. Once you've identified the next quadrant that you need to go to, it will also help you escalate the time process in achieving that kind of goal.
I'm going to start with you, Echo, the top tip that you think our viewers at home should always be mindful of as they embark on their property journey.
Do your research. I can't stress that enough. Because once you get that right, it doesn't matter where you buy your property. You will still make profit out of it. So to me, there's no what you call bad property investment. There's actually a bad strategy investment. So that's what you need to do. Do your research, and you'll be fine.